Let's play math. Math is a fun. Wake up Pythagoras in you. See you in Math Fun Factory. Let's start.
Now we define the formulas for perimeter and area of a square. We know that the given figure is a square with four sides of an equal length. If we add the length of these four sides, we get its perimeter as given below. And look at the diagram. This is the diagram. This is a square, 3 centimeter each. Length of each side is equal to 3 centimeter. Length of each side of a square is equal to 3 centimeter. Now we calculate the perimeter of the square is equal to 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. We add all these sides on four sides. We add all four sides. We get 12 centimeter. We get 12 centimeter is the perimeter of a square. This is the black outline. This is the black outline. Perimeter is the black outline here in this diagram. Perimeter is the black outline of a diagram. Similarly, the area of a given square can also be calculated by finding the product of its length and breadth, as here area of a square is equal to 3 multiplied by 3. We get 9 square centimeter. So these are 9 square centimeter. Centimeter into centimeter, we get square centimeter. This is the original orange color area. This is the orange color area as shown in diagram. This is the diagram. This orange color region is called the area of a square. Area of a square. From the above discussion, we conclude the formulae for finding the area and perimeter of a square. First, perimeter of a square is equal to the 4 multiplied by side. This highlighted portion is the perimeter of a square. This highlighted portion 4 multiplied by side, and this is the calculation of the above diagram. 4 multiplied by 3 is equal to 12 centimeter is the perimeter, which is already calculated here, 12 centimeter. Now we defined area of a square is equal to side by side, side into the side. This is the area of a square. This is the formula for area of a square is equal to side into the side, and this calculation is already done. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9 centimeter square. Now derive the formulas for perimeter and area of a rectangle. Now this is the perimeter of a given rectangle can be calculated by adding the measures of its four sides as shown below. By adding the four sides, just four sides, which we already discussed, we add these four sides. 4, 2, 4, 2. This is 4, 2, 4 and 2 is the total. Now we arrange them 4 plus 4 and 2 plus 2, and again 4 plus 4 is equal to 8 and 2 plus 2 is 4 centimeter. We add these two. Finally 12 centimeter is the perimeter of a rectangular. Total black boundary. This is the perimeter of a rectangular, which is equal to 12 centimeter. This is the black boundary as shown in figure is called the perimeter of a rectangle. Similarly, the area of a rectangular can also be calculated by multiplying its length and breadth, as area of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiplied by 4. We get 8 square centimeter, which is in red color, as shown in figure. This red color as shown in figure is the area of a rectangle, which is calculated by this formula. Thus, the formulae for finding the perimeter and area of a rectangle are: perimeter is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. 2 into length plus breadth. Again, this is in black color and area is in red color. Area of a rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. These are the formulas to find the perimeter and area of a rectangle. Now, note, to find the area of a rectangle, the units of length and breadth must be the same. Now, I will explain the perimeter and area with the help of this diagram. Here, this is a diagram. This is the length of the boundary wall, and this is also length of the boundary wall, which are equal. And this is the width of the boundary wall, and 60 meter is the width of the boundary wall. Boundary wall as shown in figure clearly. Now we find the perimeter of this boundary wall as we just add all the 4 sides of this boundary wall, which is equal to 100. This is 100, 100 plus 60 plus 100 plus 60. We get 320. We get this 320. 320 meter is the perimeter of this boundary wall, of this building, of this diagram. This is the total length of boundary wall. Is called the perimeter. Now we explain the area of this diagram. Now we explain the area which is enclosed in this boundary wall, Now we calculate the area. Formula for area is length into the breadth. Now we putting the values of this. 100 is the length of this diagram, and 60 is the breadth of this diagram. Now we calculate 100 multiplied by 60. We get 6000 square meter is the total area of this diagram. By the help of this diagram, you can differentiate between the perimeter and area.
See you in next very important lecture.